Shocking news coming in from Pune. Jalen De Silva was assaulted allegedly while driving on the Baner-Pashan Link Road in Pune. The attack took place allegedly after a motorist attempted to overtake her vehicle in an effort to allow the motorist to pass. Jalen moved out to the side of the road, but the driver stopped his vehicle, confronted her and struck her in the face, causing severe bleeding. There you can see those absolutely disturbing visuals there. The victim reported that the motorist, described her as an elderly man, was speeding recklessly and he was a threat to other users of the road. At the time of the incident, Jalen was riding a bike with two young children. She documented her harrowing experience in an Instagram video as well, expressing a concern over the safety of women and bikers in Pune, given multiple such incidents that have now been reported. There was a hit and run, of course, the infamous Pune Porsche case as well that was reported just a few weeks back. My colleague Paras Dama is now joining us live on the phone line. Paras, what more details do you have? An FIR has been registered and the suspect has been named.
Right, Vedant, the FIR has been registered in this entire matter. This is a very unfortunate incident which has again happened in Pune. So, in this entire matter, FIR has been registered again. Swapnil Kerkar, a person who hit the social media influencer on the face after the whole incident happened. So, in this incident, Jalen De Souza was attacked by an unknown person on Baner-Pashan Link Road in Pune today. The attack happened when a motorist tried to overtake her vehicle in an attempt to let the motorist pass. The victim moved to the side of the road, but the driver stopped his vehicle, after which he got down and started hitting the social media influencer and hit her in several times on his face. And after that, the nose was broken, as we are getting it right now. So blood was coming out of the nose. The social media influencer told this with the help of social media. She has put a video on social media where she told that the motorist was an elderly man driving recklessly and her bike she was driving her bike with two small children. At that time, this incident has happened. So, FIR has been already lodged in this entire matter, and now Pune police is investigating much about this matter, Vedant.
That's right, Paras, but just for some clarity, this woman that we see in that video, was she the mother of the two kids on the bike with her? Because there were two kids on the bike as well.
Right, so it is very much difficult to say right now because we are not getting this information right now. We are trying to get more information about the entire thing, but it is not clear that the woman who was driving the bike was the mother of these two children. Maybe there's some other relationship also, but it is a matter of investigation right now that Pune police is doing, and once we will get the whole information, it will be very easy to say what was the relation between the children and the lady who has been hit by an elderly man in this whole incident.
That's right, Paras, and this is not just a case of road safety, but a clear case of road rage as well, given the fact that the motorist allegedly was speeding and the way he attacked the woman based on her account, absolutely shocking there.
Rightly said, but this is only the one version that has been put by the social media influencer. But the other version will be taken by the Pune police, who has already registered an FIR, and this will be very important to see what all thing will come in this entire matter. It's an unfortunate event which has happened in Pune, but it will be very important to see the other version also, because only one version has come out, and that's version of this social media influencer who has put the video on a social media, and she has described the incident, what has happened at the time of this incident took place. So the other thing has to also be listened, what has happened, what incident took place over there. So other version will be very much important of the accused, and it will be taken by the Pune police. Already FIR has been registered and other processes are already on in Pune police station.
Right, Paras, and just for some more clarity, because as you say, this is a developing story, more details are emerging, the police have registered an FIR, but the fact is that the FIR has been registered, but what about the victim? Is she currently admitted to a particular hospital? Is she receiving treatment? What is the situation of the victim as we speak?
Yes, Vedant. After this incident took place, she was taken to a local hospital nearby the police station, and she has been in hospital from last 2 to 3 hours and already been treated over there. So she is safe. Nothing much has happened in this entire incident, but she has been already treated over there. Some of the tests and some of the treatment is still on in the hospital, but the victim is in the hospital right now. She has been treated by the doctors over there. After the incident, when police came, the police only take her to the hospital, and all the things were done over there in the hospital, and treatment is still on in this entire matter, and she is doing good.
Right, Paras, thanks very much for joining us with that. In fact, right now I'm being joined by Mr. Vishal, who's the maternal uncle of the victim there. विशाल जी, बहुत शुक्रिया हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए. आप अभी क्या बता पाएंगे हमें, क्या हालत है इस समय जेलिन की? लगातार वो हॉस्पिटल में, उनको ट्रीटमेंट मिल रहा है जैसा कि हमारे रिपोर्टर भी बता रहे थे, लेकिन आपसे क्या कम्युनिकेशन हुआ उनका? क्या हाल है अभी उनका?
जब स्टार्ट में उन्होंने, जब ये इंसिडेंट हुआ तो उन्होंने मुझे फोन किया. दैट टाइम इन हड़पसर, मैं हड़पसर में था. तब जब स्पॉट पे पहुंचा वो जाके, दैट टाइम उसको मिलने के बाद, हम लोग एक मिनट को मिलने के बाद मालूम पड़ा है कि वो व्हीकल वाला, जो गाड़ी वाला था, हेलो हेलो
जी जी बोलिए, आपकी आवाज सुन पा रहे हैं, बोलिए.
हाँ, वो गाड़ी वाले ने इनको, मैंने क्या, बिना कुछ रीजन के वजह से है ना, कि गाड़ी को ओवरटेक करके आके बिना वजह रुका के, कुछ गाड़ी को नो टच हुआ, नो डैश बैठा, कुछ नहीं. सिर्फ खुद का एग्रीमेंट दिखाने के लिए शायद, या खुद का पावर दिखाने के चक्कर में, और गाड़ी में से उतरे और बातचीत हुआ कि बाबा क्यों ऐसा गाड़ी चला रहे थे, बस इसके ऊपर से उसने डायरेक्ट उतर के डायरेक्ट मारना चालू किया. उसके साथ साथ उसकी वाइफ भी रहने के बावजूद एक लेडीज को मार रहा है एक आदमी, उसका हस्बैंड. फिर लेडीज का काम है उसको बचाना, वो बिना बचाते वो भी उसके ऊपर वापस रिटर्न अटैक कर रही है.
विशाल जी, बच्चों का क्या हाल है अभी? क्योंकि जैसा कि हमें पता चला है प्रिलिमिनरी रिपोर्ट्स के आधार पर कि 2 बच्चे भी थे उनके साथ उस समय मोटरसाइकिल पर. उनका क्या हाल है अभी? क्या उनको भी चोट पहुंची है?
चोट नहीं पहुंची, पर उनकी चोट वो जो है ना, बॉडी की ऐसा ऊपर से चोट नहीं लगी, पर अंदर से दिल से इतने डर गए थे, इतने जोर से चिल्लाए कि उनके चिल्लाने के सुन के आवाज बाकी के लोग सब जमा हो गए कि दीदी वो आप लोग को गाड़ी से उड़ा देंगे बोल के. इतने रैश ड्राइविंग करके उनके पीछे आ रहा था.
जी, और जिस तरीके की डिटेल्स एफआईआर में है, बहुत ही शॉकिंग डिटेल्स हैं कि उनको 2 बार पंच किया गया, और जिस तरीके से हम देख रहे हैं, ये जो वीडियो भी सामने आया है उसमें जिस तरीके की डिटेल्स हैं, बहुत ही मुश्किल रहा होगा उनके लिए भी उस सिचुएशन को डील कर रहा. क्या आपको फ़ोन आया था? उनको अस्पताल कौन लेकर गया था? फैमिली वहाँ कैसे पहुंची? थोड़ा उसके बारे में बताइए.
मेरे को फोन आया था, तब तक मैं जिधर मैं रहता हूँ उधर से ये जो स्पॉट हुआ है वो लगभग 22-25 किलोमीटर का डिस्टेंस है बीच का. और जब मैं उधर उसको जब लगा तो वो बच्चे लोग चिल्लाए डर के मारे, तब पब्लिक जमा हो गई, आजू बाजू के लोग. उनमें से कोई एक लेडी थी, उन्होंने वो मेरे भांजी को खुद के गाड़ी में बिठाया और बच्चे लोग को बिठा के हॉस्पिटलाइज लेके गए. वो टाइम उसके रिलेटिव्स कोई भी नहीं, हम लोग कोई नहीं थे उनके साथ में. जो भी सर्विस दिया, जो भी हेल्प किया ना, वो आम पब्लिक ने हेल्प किया. उसी के साथ साथ जब पुलिस आई उधर जाने से पहला, तो पुलिस ने भी अच्छा हेल्प किया. पुलिस ने वो चाबी ली गाड़ी की, और वो जो मारने वाला आदमी था और उसके औरत को, दोनों को लेके चौकी में आ गए.
विशाल जी, बहुत शुक्रिया हमसे बात करने के लिए, और वी सिंसियरली होप दैट जेलिन गेट्स फाइन सून. Thanks very much for all those details that you've shared with us. But let's try and listen into what the woman is actually saying in that video.
Hi everyone, my name is Jalin De Silva. I was on the street of Baner Pasha Link Road. I was with 2 kids. There was an old man who was speeding through us for 2 kilometers, and I was somehow taking the vehicle from the left hand side, not wanting to come into his way. This guy overspeeds, risks life of so many people, and takes a left turn, takes me on the side. He gets out of the car very furiously. He gives me like 2 punches. He pulls me completely, like he pulls my hair. I had 2 kids. He didn't care about the kids. And this is how it is at the moment. And yeah, I just want to say, how safe is the city? Where is this going? Why are people behaving like maniacs? I had 2 kids on me. कुछ भी हो सकता था. और I don't know where all of this is going. I just want that this man should get, you know, the cops should just punish him for what he did. There was a lady who helped me. There were people who were seeing. He punched me right in my face and I started bleeding immediately. So, yeah, I don't know what to say anymore.